last year. We played back-to-back goals. Where you see us? What's going to be the advantage? I think, of course, rest. Rest is the best advantage. But I think just game experience. Get a lot more players on the team.
And what do you think about that? Did you sign you and Rafael last year?
The day off, one day in between kind of helps.
Pretty much down with right now.
20 years ago,
I think it was 4 years.
The focus was to now you have more responsibility than
Yeah, well, our responsibility is to take more games at a time. I think everybody there wrestling well to basketball goes. That's not since 20 years ago, so the game is more competitive now. Around the world, guys are becoming more better at basketball.
That's better for you working.
Yeah, I mean, you have to work just to know that there's somebody else out there, another team that's out there that's trying to come from this spot. You have to keep working.